let's learn November Rain by Guns N' Roses. Um, and let's not think of it as a complicated song. Let's just think of it as a song with 4 or 5 chords. When I look into your eyes, I can see your love restrained. But darling, when I hold you, don't you know I feel the same? Cause nothing lasts forever, and we both know hearts can change. And it's hard to hold a candle in the cold November rain. Everybody needs some time on their own. Everybody needs some time all alone. I don't know the lyrics. Guitar solo. Okay, so that was basically all the parts of the song up through like minute 6. And the main verse part of the song is E. You can play it down here. If you want to be fancy, you can play E major 7. Okay, if you want to be simple, you can just play like an E power chord. It goes to C sharp at the 4th fret. It's a minor. But if you were playing with power chords, just be a C sharp power chord. And then it goes to B. So E, C sharp, B. And then the second half of that verse is we're starting on the C sharp. Go to F sharp major. To light a candle in the cold November rain. So that is just a C sharp minor, F major, B. So those two chord progressions make up the verse. And then there's that little section where he's like, everybody needs some. That's E, F sharp. Everybody needs some time on their own. Ooh, everybody needs some time all alone. Then it goes. This is a new chord. It's a E flat minor. So we started with the E. So we're kind of like, this is kind of just like a chromatic walk up. It just means it's adjacent to the E. So you can kind of play it because it's right next to the E. But it's a minor. So 6th fret, 7th fret, and then we go to B. You could catch the B at the 7th fret. F sharp. So it just kind of goes E flat, minor, E, B, just alternates. Now, after that, they go into the guitar solos, and those are just played over the E, C sharp, B. And those are played in the C sharp, the key of C sharp. You get a C sharp here at the 9th fret. But then he goes up, he plays a little extension box. And then he goes up and plays the C sharp at the 4th fret. And then at the end, they kind of have like a whole separate song. Don't you think you need somebody? So that's just kind of like a whole. It's it's related, but it's a whole separate song. B, F sharp. Those are the same chords. E, D, and I just think of it as like D. They get the D in there because it's next to the E. And then they go G, A, B. So that's just like 3 chords going up. Yeah, I kind of think of it as like B to F sharp is like from the old song. E. And then to D. And then we go G, A, B. Okay, so have fun playing that one.